For each of the scenarios, describe the sample and population. Our first scenario is that a researcher who is interested in determining the number of employed workers in the United States who have health care randomly surveys 1,000 employed workers about their health care. Well, if we are talking about the population, we want to remember that the population is always the entire set of units. And in this case, our entire set of units is all employed workers in the United States who have health care. And again, a sample is a subset of that. In this case, our sample is the survey of 1,000 employed workers. Our next scenario is an orchard owner wants to find out if people who drink cider prefer homemade or store-bought apple cider. And this orchard owner conducts a blind taste test of 75 people at a local farmer's market. Now we're comparing two things, homemade cider and store-bought cider, but when we look at our population, it would be all people who drink cider. And we aren't discriminating between which type of cider they want to drink. And then our sample would be the 75 people who take the taste test at the farmer's market. And our last scenario, a store owner wants to determine the number of sales that occur in a year. The store owner decides to track the number of sales that occur during the month of May. Our population, in this case we're not looking at people, we're looking at the number of sales in a year. And I should probably say the total number of sales or all of the sales. Again, we're always looking for that set of units that we're studying. And our sample, our subset of this units, are the total number of sales that occur in May. So again, population is the set of units, sometimes people or objects, or in this last case, that number of sales transactions that we're interested in studying, and a sample is that subset, a smaller group of that population.